Yeah.
How has your technology strategy, which is like just stay on the main branch, be creative, focus on the applications and the user value, fared out, would you say, compared to the competitors?
I'd say like from a strictly technological viewpoint and results-driven viewpoint, extraordinarily satisfied, like 11 out of 10 on that one.
Mm-hmm.
And again, huge credit to my co-founder, because I would say as the non-technical co-founder, I was like, that sounds pretty good, like to be on your own fully custom trained, OpenAI provided model. Right. And Kaya had a very strong opinion on that, which turned out to be totally right. I think what's interesting is that still hasn't fully played out is the marketing angle around that. I mean, the market's discovering it when you look at results of one company versus the next, but that's taking some time to come out. And I do think there's a marketing message, which is we have an LLM that's completely custom trained for you that does land.
It sounds better.
And sounds better.
Yeah.
So I think the market is still playing catch up to the reality of the results, and it's going to be interesting to see how that plays out.
I think what's tough for earlier stage founders too is that story also sometimes can sound more compelling to investors when you're right. Like, hey, we're going to go create a specific model for X, but to your point, that might have an advantage for only 3 to 9 months.
Yeah. And then you're worse off.
And then you're worse.